Hi, my name is Ewan Chate and I am 11 years old. I'm going to be solving Rubik's Cubes on a pogo-stick. I will actually be attempting to set a world record for this. Fastest time to solve a Pyraminx and a 2x2 Rubik's Cube while bouncing consecutively no-handed on a pogo-stick. And
can you give us a demo?
here are the Rubik's Cubes. Here's the Rubik's Cube and Pyraminx. This is the pogo-stick. I will be bouncing on this no-handed while solving these. Once I've solved one, I will put it back onto this fence, pick up the next one, and start solving the next one.
Okay.
So this will be an actual attempt for a world record.
Give it a shot.
Alrighty. I'll just have a look at it quickly.
I mixed both of them up beforehand.
Yeah, they're both mixed up. And okay, so I'll be bouncing and solving it like this.
Okay.
So I will start.
All done? Good job.